Hey everyone, thanks for joining. This is Angela from PowerPointify, and today I'm going to show you how to add animation to bullet points in Microsoft PowerPoint. To get started, we're going to need to go to the Animations tab in the top ribbon. Clicking on that tab, it's going to open up a new quick access toolbar that has a bunch of options that are currently grayed out. And the reason is because we currently don't have any animations in our PowerPoint presentation. So to add that animation, I'm currently going to go over my first bullet point that I want to add animation to. Once I highlight that bullet point, I can add the animation of my choice. Now my specific animation I'm going to use today is the appear. What that means is that the moment my mouse clicks for the animation to start, the words are just going to appear, so no additional effect is going to happen. So I'm going to click appear to apply that animation. I'm going to also do that to all the bullets underneath so that they all have the same animation. Now once I'm done with that, I can preview my slides so that I can see what this animation looks like. So I'm going to go down to the preview slide button, click it, and as you see on the left hand side, none of my bullet points are currently showing. So I'm going to click my mouse to get these bullet points to show using the animation. So as I'm clicking, each bullet point is now being put in my presentation. So I just push escape to exit out of my preview slide mode, and as you can see on the left hand side, I have a 1, 2, 3, and 4 next to each bullet point to indicate that there are animations. So as you can see, I just added animations for each one of these separate for them to appear on each click of my mouse. But you can have all these bullet points appear at the same time. Now to do that, you're going to need to open the animation pane. So go up to the advanced animation section in the quick access toolbar and click animation pane. On the right hand side, it'll open your animation pane in which you can edit when your bullet points appear. So currently you can see a little mouse by it, and that is representing that currently it says click on start, which means with each additional mouse click, my bullet point will appear. So if I want all my bullet points to appear one after each other, I want it to use the one that says start with previous. Starting with previous means that my bullet point will appear with the previous animation so that they go on simultaneously. Once I change all of those, I can then preview my slide. And once I click my first animation, they all appear together. So I just exited my slide preview using the escape button, and I got back to my main area. So as you can see on the left hand side, all of these now start with a 1, and that's to indicate that all the animations are happening at the same time. Now one last animation feature you can use is the start after previous animation. So if you come down here and you click this drop down, you can do start after previous, and what that means is that the moment your other bullet point was finished loading and coming in with your animation, the next one will start automatically without you having to click. Now this is a very hard feature to see when we use the appear animation, so I'm going to use the fly-in animation just so that you can easily see this animation occur. So I'm going to go to preview slide so you can see what this looks like. I'm going to use my mouse to click one time, and then all of these will appear after each other. And there they are, they all flown in. So this was how to add animation to your bullet points. Again, my name's Angela with PowerPointify, and thanks so much for joining us today.